In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop notifications on your TikTok Lite app. If you want to put an end to these annoying notifications on your app, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, just go to your app and long press on it to access its app info page. However, if you can't see app info page on your TikTok Lite app, you should see a settings gear around here or even the name of the app. Just tap on any of these to access TikTok Lite app. And you can see we have now our app info page. At this point, go to permissions section and under permissions, scroll down to notifications. If you tap on notifications, you can see all these 6 types of notifications are on. That's why you have been receiving notifications such as notification badges, floating notification, permanent notifications, vibration, play sound, as well as lock screen notifications. To disable all of them, just toggle off show notification option on top, and now this will disable all the other types of notifications. So that's how you can permanently disable TikTok Lite app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.